Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a sales funnel right from the beginning. Plus in the end I'm going to share with you my personal pro tip, so stay tuned till the end. And our first step is to know your audience. Most of the marketers make the mistakes of skipping this step and jumping right on building a landing pages, spreading tons of ads on all our social media. And I want you to understand this: if you don't know your audience, you're not going to capture any leads, or if you would capture leads, it may cost you a lot of money. After all, not everybody is your target audience, am I right? And even though a top of the sales funnel is quite wide, still you need to range your ad campaign to extent of people who fall under your niche, or else your ad expenses will actually go in vain. So I personally suggest you to, it will be better for you to know your audience first, your demographics and their